Hi friends, this is the Vittsjo coffee table round. In this video I'm showing the unboxing and assembly of this product. So this is the Vittsjo coffee table. It's quite a heavy glass which will be fitted at the end, so I'm going to keep it aside first. So now that I've removed the glass, so these are the other parts. So this is how the table is going to look. So now the first step. First one is this portion with the groove, inside groove, which will be fitted. On top of that, the other one will come, which will be on this. So first I'll fit this one. This grooved stand first. This will go first. And then this one. This is fixed one on top of the another. Now I have to just fix them with tighten them with screws. So you need 2 screwdrivers for the assembly of this table, and for this particular for the fixing of the frame you need the star headed screwdriver. So I got IKEA toolkit here, so I'm going to take this one. And for that, this is the screw which has to be used, 116654, which is this. So I'm going to use that. So now all the 4 screws are fixed on the frame. The fourth step involves the sliding of this plank, the bottom plank, that is a storage space, into the frame there. And you can see that there are 2 finishes. One is a brown finish and one other side is a black finish. Whichever finish you want can be kept on the top, so you place it accordingly. So for this you have to slide it in an angular fashion into this. So there is a way to slide it inside. So you keep it like this. Since we want the black on top, we are going to place it like this. So take it in an angular fashion and then push it down. So this is how it's going to be. So now it's just loosely kept, but this has to be fixed with the screws, and for which there are no holes provided on the plank. So we have to make holes at 4 locations, and this is the trickiest part. So the trick part is fixing these screws through this frame, and which has to reach the plank here, for which you need this the pointed head with which we have to drill. This is not going to reach, this head doesn't have that much depth, so we are going to use some other method of making a hole there. But you have to be very careful about the locations of all these 4 places. So let's see how we'll do it. So we have placed this safely on the footstool so that this location, this place is not disturbed. So with the help of the screw, we are going to do the marking on the plank. all the four. While doing these things, you have to take care that the frame does not move, so that the location of the frame should not be disturbed. So it's better two people do this thing. If you have a long-headed pointed screwdriver, then it is fine. It's easier to do. Since we don't have, we are doing this. We are following this method. So you can see the four markings here, here, and here. It has to be made deeper. It has, because the thickness of the plank is more. We'll make this deeper and then fix the screws. I'm going to use this point-headed screwdriver. Now I'm first placing all these four screws. And fix it and then tighten with this star-headed screwdriver. So it's actually going through the plank. Similarly, I tighten all the other screws. So the step 4 is done. Now fifth step is fixing of this top round cushioning for the glass, and sixth will be placing the glass. So the black finishes come on the top. It's like a sticker. So this is the Stevens rug, which is going to be put under the Vittsjo round coffee table. So I'm going to open it. So the sixth step is placing the glass on the top. So this is how it looks after assembling. It's a very sleek and lovely looking coffee table. The frame is made of powder coated steel, and the base, that is a storage space, is particle board, and the top is tempered glass. It is very strong. The table by itself is very sturdy. It's very reasonably priced for the sturdiness and for the looks. It is just less than 4,000, that is 3,990, and it is perfect for any living room or any room. You can use as a center table or even a side table. It is perfect on this rug. So just now I opened this rug and I placed it on this round rug here. That is the Stevens rug. Just love this table. Okay, there was a tricky part in it. The base part has got two sides. One is a black top, and another side is black brown. So you have the option of choosing whichever you want to be facing upwards. So we have chosen the black one to face up. So I think that's the reason they have not given pre-drilled holes. I'm sure it will be nice to have pre-drilled holes to fix this, but if they give that, you won't have the option of choosing the top facing side. So that was a tricky part, because we also found it tricky because we didn't have that sharp pointed screwdriver. So we had to do some manipulation of our own by slightly drilling with the help of the screw itself. Other than that, it's very simple to assemble. I've already done a rectangular Vittsjo table, which I already have. I have uploaded the video of the same. You can check out the link above to see the video. Hope you liked watching this video, my assembly as well as the product. Please share your comments in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I happen to do a lot of IKEA DIY videos. Most of my products which I purchased from IKEA, I've assembled them and I've uploaded as videos. You can find the playlist in my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it is bye bye from Bhuvana.